The Karnataka Health Department is on high alert after the detection of the deadly Zika virus in mosquitoes in the Chikkaballapur district, located close to the Bengaluru urban district. This comes after the outbreak of the virus in Kerala. Every day, tens of thousands of grapes are transported from Chikkaballapur district to Kerala, as Kerala represents the largest market for grapes. According to S.S. Mahesh, the district health officer of Chikkaballapur, we have identified the Zika virus in a mosquito collected from Chikkaballapur, which is adjacent to Bengaluru. Mahesh further disclosed that the mosquito specimens were gathered for assessment in August and the Zika virus presence was confirmed in one of these insects. These test results were made public on 25th October as part of a comprehensive statewide initiative. In total, 100 mosquito samples were collected from various locations within the state, including 6 from Chikkaballapur. 5 of these samples tested negative for the Zika virus, but 1 yielded a positive result. In response to this alarming discovery, an alert has been issued in a 5-kilometer radius around Talkebetta, where the infected mosquito was identified in Chikkaballapur. Furthermore, health officials are leaving no stone unturned in their quest to monitor and evaluate all instances of fever in the area. Samples from 3 patients who exhibited high fever have been dispatched for comprehensive analysis. The DHO affirmed that fortunately all 3 patients are currently in stable condition. This development underscores the immediate need for vigilance and further research to contain and combat the Zika virus in the region. What is Zika virus, its symptoms and treatment? According to the World Health Organization, Zika virus is primarily transmitted by the bite of an infected mosquito from the Aedes genus, mainly Aedes aegypti, in tropical and subtropical regions. Aedes mosquitoes usually bite during the day, peaking during early morning and late afternoon or evening. This is the same mosquito that transmits dengue, chikungunya, and yellow fever. Pregnant women are more at risk, as the WHO adds that Zika virus is also transmitted from mother to fetus during pregnancy through sexual contact, transfusion of blood and blood products, and organ transplantation. Infected individuals largely do not develop any symptoms. However, those who do, their symptoms typically start 3 to 14 days after infection, the WHO added. Symptoms are rash, fever, conjunctivitis, muscle and joint pain, malaise, and headache, and usually last for 2 to 7 days. These symptoms are common to other arboviral and non-arboviral diseases. Thus, the diagnosis of Zika virus infection requires laboratory confirmation. While there is no specific treatment available for Zika virus infection, it is advised that individuals with symptoms such as rash, fever, or joint pain should get plenty of rest, drink fluids, and treat symptoms with antipyretics and/or analgesics. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs should be avoided until dengue virus infections are ruled out because of bleeding risk, as per the WHO.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.